guys, welcome to 4 Idiots React. This is Anna from Iran. Salam Aziz.
Khushabadid, this is Anam from Pakistan.
Hi guys, this is Dania from Kazakhstan. Добро пожаловать, друзья.
Hey guys, this is Sufyan from India. Namaste, salam, sasrikal, vanakkam, namaskaram and kamagani. And today we are going to be reacting to a very highly requested scene from one of the movies of the greatest actor
Yes.
ever.
Who is it?
So, any guesses guys, who could be the actor?
Who could be the actor? I wonder who.
From Tamil Nadu, like he's
From
very
Tamil
famous,
Nadu,
very good looking.
Huge fan for
I know.
Good actor, good dancer.
The Thalapathy!
Yeah.
And the movie is Bigil.
Yes.
Bigil. No, there was
Yes.
this scene in the
It's a
trailer where
railway
he calls Bigil. I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, it's the Bigil movie and Rayappan fight scene. What is it?
Railway station fight scene.
Okay, yeah.
In HD.
Rayappan's railway station?
Huh?
I don't know.
And the only people who can correct us are
You know.
And as Anam said, it's a HD video, guys.
Yes.
Don't-
Gee.
we don't-
Important information.
High definition, so we
Yeah.
will be able to see the each bones cracking
Yes.
probably and the
We'll
blood
live
gushing
through
out.
the struggle.
Yes.
4 Idiots will never compromise on quality, guys.
Yes.
We
And
always
if you want
go
us
the
to
best.
continue to
Continue
deliver
Yes.
quality,
Do this.
Yes.
subscribe.
And now we're not going to waste any more time, guys. And I know you guys are waiting for it.
Itching
Yes.
to
Go!
Oh, he said it.
Bigla? Oh, his.
Oh, oh no.
Is that his father?
Oh my god, he
Looks
got
so good.
stabbed.
Thalapathy
What is this?
plays both of them.
No! I hate this already. What is this?
Yeah.
Football player he is in this movie.
Oh, they killed him.
Where's the guy standing? Run away.
Who is this? Oh my god, I thought she was gonna. Yo, they literally. Oh my god.
Oh!
Yo, no way, there's no way.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god.
Did the guy die?
He's dead for sure now. He got stabbed
My dear,
like so many times.
Oh!
People, I swear.
Oh!
My food is gonna come out.
Catch up.
Is he still running towards his father or what's happening? Like, why didn't he reach him yet?
He got stabbed.
No, the other
my
guy.
How is he still alive?
The plane was moving, I think, so he went a little far.
It didn't look like it. No, he jumped right away.
Oh! Oh, and he's here. Oh,
No, last kiss of death. Oh my god.
Kisses of death.
I hate this.
oh.
It's supposed to kill them all.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
He's like a football player. I think
Yeah.
even his jersey
Apparently,
has Bigil 3 on it.
warrior too, not just a look at his.
He's dying.
His fitness is like a football player in this one. Because it's so good. Oh, yes. Kill them.
What a footballer,
Show no
man.
mercy.
Number 5.
I swear to God, I hate them.
Oh. Yes.
It's the main guy.
No. Oh my God, I hate this.
Oh, Power, that's his father.
Oh my God, he's dying.
He
Oh
hasn't
no.
sang Apollo.
No, last
Yeah,
breath.
yeah.
Last breath.
It is the father's fault. He killed him.
Go save the Alpha at least.
kill him. Cut his head.
Sad.
Yeah. Oh, the more people.
They got scared. Oh my god.
I didn't expect this to be this sad. They're back! Okay, these are his people.
Now it's
For
like his
revenge.
mission, I think, to take revenge.
Oh,
Oh my god. What?
I think that it was the guys who were fighting in hospital.
It wasn't your regular fights,
This
you
was
know?
too intense.
so
Guys, why do you
emotional.
guys always
It's emotional.
request for such emotionally traumatizing videos and fighting
Do
scenes?
you hate us? Tell us. Right? If you hate us, if you want us to cry, tell us.
I know.
This is so emotional, man.
Is
Seeing
this the
photo-
beginning of the movie scene? I feel like it could be one of the parts that's the beginning of the movie, you know? Where he actually, like, maybe he was leaving for his football career, I don't know, and then, like, this thing happened and then he had to shift
Yeah,
his,
it could be.
you
the
know,
beginning.
his goals, whatever, everything. Now his life is based on
It's
taking
literally
revenge.
goals actually. Living for his goals.
Nice.
Football goals.
Oh my god.
But how amazing is Vijay Thalapathy? He is the father, he plays the father and himself as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's,
What an actor.
he's next level.
To be honest, he's a 47-year-old. He should look this
Yes.
father, but he looks so
Looks
young.
like that
Yeah.
That is true.
footballer who's just
They
starting his
changed his
career.
color, eye color in this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As the dad.
It's great.
It looks very real though.
Yeah.
There's no contact.
What's the brand of this contact?
Sponsor.
Comment down below.
It's,
Oh my god.
It's Vijay Thalapathy brand. I'm sorry he has his own brand.
For-
That's Alu Arjun.
No, even Vijay Thalapathy is
Alu
nice.
Park, Alu Lens, Alu. Maybe.
Maybe.
What if Vijay Thalapathy also has a park?
Of course he has.
For sure, yes.
I'm sure he has a very big
Let
house.
us know if you know if he has anything weird.
But yeah, this movie looks interesting to be honest.
Yeah.
Watching this scene makes me watch this movie right after this.
Of course, so emotional.
Honestly, I don't think I would watch it. It's too emotional. I can't take
Yeah, that's the
the
thing.
sadness of it.
I want to see the movies to see that okay how he's gonna take revenge with all those people.
Yeah.
And then pursue his footballing career as well
Yes.
along with that. Score goals.
I wonder why they did it though. Why did they kill his father?
And how come he's such a good, like, I think footballer and a sword fighter as well?
But
Like,
his
what
father was also, remember, he was
They
fighting them
teach,
also.
teach him that, like, What's his background? I want to know his
He
past.
took it
I think
from
this
his
is
father.
anger. To be honest, sword fighting is all anger. Like someone kills.
Ah.
Just think of it. Someone kills someone's father and like.
But his technique, he
But
was like
yeah, he was like dodging the
like a
sword
samurai
and
warrior.
killing.
You know,
That's there,
the
yeah.
way he was operating that sword.
Maybe he has been training for those things
He's a
as well.
samurai.
Yeah.
Double life. Maybe he has a double life.
Maybe.
Yeah, damn.
Yeah, guys.
I am left speechless after this.
Yeah, me too. I didn't expect this to be this emotional.
It
It's
was
very
too
emotional,
much.
yeah.
Okay, guys, this was our reaction to Bigil. Bigil Rayappan. Okay, guys, if you liked it, comment down below, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching us. Bye.